From Eufy's genius home sentinels to the lightning-fast retractable car charger, prepare to be amazed as the boundaries of innovation are pushed to the limit. Get ready to experience the thrill of the future today. Number 7. Eufy Security by Anker SmartTrack Card. Are you seeking a way to keep your stuff tracked? You're in luck, as I have got exactly what you are looking for. Please welcome Eufy Security by Anker SmartTrack Card. It's like a superhero for anyone who ever lost their keys, phone, or wallet. Eufy security systems are pretty comprehensive and have cool features like wired or wireless cameras, motion detectors, smart locks, door and window sensors, alarm systems, and even video doorbells. Just tuck it into your wallet or hook it with your phone cover, you will be able to locate your any stuff by using the Find My app. iOS only, sorry Android fans, and will get notifications and updates on any activity. This SmartTrack card is also watertight, so don't stress if you drop it in a puddle accidentally. And the battery span? Up to 3 years. That's a long haul, right? You won't need to worry about it running out of juice anytime soon. Setup is easy peasy and is compatible with Apple devices. This mighty marvel is available on Amazon for just $53.10 with a 4.0 star rating. It seems like having your own security team. So keep your mind at ease and your belongings safe by Eufy Security by Anker SmartTrack Card. Number 6. Hidden Camera Detectors D11Pro. Are you concerned about your privacy? Introduce yourself with the Hidden Camera Detector D11Pro, a cutting-edge device that detects hidden cameras with ease. It comes with a smart and portable layout. This handy device can detect cameras even if they're turned off or hidden by using advanced technology like magnetic field detection, RF detection, and infrared detection. Its LED lights and beep alerts will help you to quickly identify any potential threats nearby. It can also detect other covert devices like GPS trackers and bugs. It's super easy to use. You can scan your surroundings just by turning it on. It is also compatible with iPhone, iOS 13.0, macOS 11.0, with Apple M1 chip. It is available on Amazon with ratings of 4.2, 5 stars. And you can get your hands on Hidden Camera Detector D11Pro on Amazon for just $50. So just start detecting hidden cameras like a pro, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your privacy is protected. Number 5. Endoscope Camera by Anykit. Looking for a top-notch endoscope camera? Offer a hearty welcome to Anykit Endoscope Camera. It is reliable equipment with a robust system for exploration and inspection. This gadget is loaded with advanced features. Its 8 LEDs are being used for brightening up dark spaces. Its 16.5 feet semi-rigid snake camera is used for deeper inspections, and it is water-packed. Amazingly, you can get crystal clear images and videos of tight and dark places with its 1080 HD resolution. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this endoscope camera is perfect for inspecting engines, pipes, and other hard-to-reach areas. It is durable, waterproof, and super easy to use with your phone or tablet. It's a total steal at just $39.99 on Amazon. Plus, it has a 4.5 star rating and over 400 purchases in the past month. With its versatile features and affordable price, it's the perfect addition to your toolkit. It does not whether you're a pro or just a curious DIYer. This endoscope camera is a must-have. Go and grab yours. Number 4. The Trscind 10-in-1 Multi-Tool 2PC Pen Set. Meet the essential EDC gadget. The Trscind 10-in-1 Multi-Tool 2PC Pen Set. It is particularly designed for people on the go. It is an absolute revolution for anyone who loves tools and gadgets. This little legend has extraordinary 10 different functions, including a stylus pen, flathead, and Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, retractable ballpoint, bubble level, phone holder, inch ruler, and last but not the least, super bright flashlight, all in one, packed in the lightweight metal body. Whether you need to jot down notes or tighten a loose screw, this pen has got you covered. The ergonomic design and durable construction make it a must-have for everyday carry. This multifunctional pen is a perfect gift for your dad, brother, or husband. The highlight is that it is available on Amazon for just $10.37 with a 4.5 star rating and over 1,000 happy customers. So why wait? Get your Trscind 10-in-1 multi-tool 2PC pen set today and be ready for anything. Number 3. MABOGU Electric Spin Scrubber. What's this? An electric scrubber? And it spins? And it's cordless? The MABOGU Electric Spin Scrubber is a curious creature indeed. The MABOGU Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerhouse cleaning tool featuring a robust motor, a rechargeable battery with up to 2 hours of runtime, and interchangeable brush heads. It has a rotation speed maximum of 420 RPM and has adjustable angles, making it to clean every hard-to-reach place like the shower head and wall corner. It saves cleaning time in half. Its adjustable length and cordless design make it perfect for tackling soap scum, grime, and hard water stains in bathrooms, and to make the floors sparkle like new. With an ergonomic handle and lightweight construction, this scrubber ensures comfortable handling and reduces fatigue. Boasting an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars and over 1,185 global ratings on Amazon, the MABOGU Electric Spin Scrubber is a trusted and reliable addition to any cleaning arsenal. Available now on Amazon. Number 2. The Apollo Tools 39-piece Household Kit. This awesome kit has got you covered for all your DIY and household repair needs. Apollo Tools 39-piece household set is a symphony of steel and functionality. With a massive 39 tools included, you will be equipped to handle anything. The set features a utility knife, pliers, precision screwdrivers, scissors, bit driver hex keys, tape measure, a hammer, and many more, which make this kit a masterclass in toolery. All the tools are made from high-grade steel alloy, chrome-plated to resist corrosion's sneaky grasp, and meet or exceed ANSI standards. This tidy little sanctuary keeps everything organized and within reach. But what about the warranty, you ask? That's a lifetime guarantee. This little beast is available on Amazon for $22.30 with a 4.5-star rating and over 1,500 happy customers. So, what are you waiting for? Unbox the mystery and unleash your inner DIY detective. Number 1. ROADRESS Retractable Car Charger. So, you're looking for a car charger that's got it all? Well, you're in luck. This retractable car charger is a powerhouse. It's got 2 Type-C retractable charging cables, each supporting up to 3A fast charging, so you can charge your phone or tablet at lightning speed. Multiple devices can be charged at once by its 2 USB ports, which include USB-C power delivery, PD, and Quick Charge 3.0, QC 3.0, with a total output of 6. 2A. No more arguing over who gets to charge their phone first. Its built-in voltage display monitors car voltage levels live, which makes it easy to keep an eye on your car's electrical system. Additional features include automatic charge termination, thermal protection, and short-circuit safeguards. What about compatibility? Well, it can operate with the iPhone, iPad, and range of Samsung Galaxy. For just $19.40, $26.99, with a 4.4-star rating from Amazon, you can get this mighty car gadget. It is a must-have item for cars due to its compact design and retractable cables. It's like having your personal pocket power station. The curtain closes on 2024's Tech Carnival. Get ready for the next wave of groundbreakers, pioneers, and mind-benders that will reshape destiny. The greatest is still to come, and it's coming sooner than you think.